Abend. Genießen Sie Ihr Mittagessen.
Hi, we do a beef ragu. We have beef meat and then we have some vegetables. Or we put a little bit salt and put in oil just to fry it. So we have onions. We cut them, we peel them. Then we have carrots as well. We cut them. We say this celery, and it just they have. We peel them. Then we have the meat. Going to fry the rest. We do like a curry. We have coconut milk. We have tomato. We have snow pea, and we have yogurt as well. Meat's almost done. Have you seen the color of the meat? Just tender. Carrots. Celery. We have the onion, small. And then this onion come inside. Tomato. Just put the tomato inside. It's time for potatoes. Cauliflower. I mix everything together. And now it's time for the meat. Then come the meat inside. Then you need a little bit of water. Just a little bit. Not that much. With salt, but not that much as well. And then come this guy. Coconut milk. What we have is cumin. Now we put all the stuff in the oven. We have 160 degrees. We are done with the ragu. We're gonna plate in a bowl. A little bit of yogurt. And I decide to make a small salad with lime, ginger, and I put on the top of our ragu. Okay.